Hi everyone, Chrissy Sunt here with Keller Williams Realty. I'm standing in front of a brand new build from West Creek Homes in Tahitian Village. There's actually 3 of them that were just completed that will be holding open on Sunday from 1 to 4 p.m. In downtown Bastrop on Saturday from noon to 4, we're going to be holding 2 houses open in different locations. So you'll definitely want to come check those out in conjunction with the classic car show that will be held on Main Street. The most important thing is that I received word from the Bastrop County Emergency Food Pantry that they really need our donations of canned goods and non-perishables. So today I'm going around to our neighbors and bringing these paper bags with information on the open houses so that you could fill these up with your canned goods and non-perishables and bring them by any of the 5 open houses this weekend, and we will take them to the pantry. Of course, you don't have to have these bags to bring them by. Bring them by in any bag. Or if this weekend doesn't work for you, just call me or send me an email and I will schedule a pickup and bring them to the pantry. Once again, open houses, so many from Keller Williams, Saturday from noon to 4 and on Sunday from 1 to 4 in Tahitian Village. Bring your canned goods and non-perishables, see some lovely houses, and we'll see you there.